Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
We have a vital information for you. Miss Kim?
Thank you. Now, the Ministry of Education is sending an inspector to assess how well we've done as staff. They will be asking you questions about what we've done, how we're doing it, and how well we've done it. And we are trusting all of you to give us your honest and truthful feedback about the state of affairs at this institution. We've been treating you well, right?
Yes.
Right? You're gonna get us that promotion?
Yes.
Yes.
So, any question?
Wasn't she clear enough? What could you possibly want to ask now? Huh?
All right, I think we should take these 4 questions in my office. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meet me in my office. Let's go.
I said, does anyone have a question? And you raised your head? See, an inspector is coming from the Ministry of Education to ask how we staff are faring. 1, 2, 3, most especially you 4. I beg you. I beg you. Please. See, serve our job. Please. Please.
Please, we're doing so much for you, but just, we don't want to be sacked, please,
And you know you're our best students, most engaging students we've had in a long time.
Yes.
I love you all. I love you and I want to see more of you.
Exactly.
See, I've always had a crush on you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And you especially. You, Mrs. Akala called me. He said you people can. You know, yes.
And you. You know I have my eye on you.
See, you know we have a special bond. You're my guy. You know? So much interest in you, eh?
I'm not specifying which kind of interest because
no, not like that.
No problem. We don't hear on a proposal. So we won't go home meeting, we'll get back to you.
Yeah.
Good students.
Well done.
Lovely students.
Amazing.
Thanks.
Well done. Well done.
See my clown, this thing we principal the answer, I they suspect him. Each of the fair they give us blues. You don't say blues they sweet until reggae come your head go cause scatter. How you just clear or say anything we want, you want run now. Today we be like say my babe, not day school. Because if to say Mrs. Ajala day, I for say okay now 3 day here. Mrs. Ajala will be my old babe, my pensioner in not day school. Now today you call this anything we want you do, and they suspend them.
See, because even Mr. Agbo, he promised me say go give me small thing. Okay, give me the small thing. He say, man, wait, give me the small thing. If the inspector they come today, not be today, you give me the small thing. Man, don't say you serious. He not give me anything. He say me will take picture.
Sure. No, look that kind of thing. Because Mrs. Ajala they look say she not be pensioner to me.
But wait, what can you do? Because the way you decide this thing, Mr. Ajala, the year since. If you the way you counter this thing, I be like that because Mr. Ajala not day. I mean, if you say the thing that really fake.
Why
this guy don't chop? Your own dog be on.
Why they talk like that?
Waiting.
Your own dog.
They show me blue card as a near and a white.
Both of you.
I don't know anything wrong. As I want to kiss her like this, she just push me, go back, they push me, go back.
Principal and dry cleaner. It's just they wash us, they give us wash. If they tell us what we need to hear.
If we give the pass mark when the inspector come, After inspector go down, return back to
True. Your brain they think. Your brain they think. Instead of so now we'll fuck them up. We can let the supervisor know say they be useless people. We'll fuck them up. They'll sack all of them. May they sack them. Oh, but if you see the fine guess where you go come, you know they see all those youth copper. All the brand new youth copper 2019 model. If you see that they bad, then they come with factory pretend they say.
You be lazy.
Let them know our plan.
Good day, class.
Good day, sir.
So we have a special guest, an inspector all the way from Ministry of Education. Please welcome Mr. Okoro. Yes, as you all know, he's here to find out how we, the staff, have been treating you, okay? So, now would be the best time to share your comments with him. So, any comments? Oh, yes?
So they've been really nice to us, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful, yes?
They're really good people with great abilities.
Ah, amazing, yes.
Miss Kim is my favorite teacher.
Oh, Miss Kim. Yes.
Mr. Barapo is the best history teacher ever.
Yes, please.
Our principal is very amazing.
My dear. Yes, please.
I love Miss Kim. I might have a crush on her.
Really? This is the best school, sir. The best school with the best teachers.
I prefer we take those 4 comments in my office. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 in my office.
Welcome, sir.
So, in your opinion, how have they been faring? Are the teachers treating you well?
Oh my God. These teachers, they don't teach us anything. You see my head? Nothing there inside our head. Free, empty.
Even if they won't teach us, we won't understand. You see this man with the years, he swear if he make you lost everything. If it does not be God, for don't get depressed now. Every time I swear. This one swear say we not go pass work. Now why we still there here now? The one will never write that when they come. She don't swear say we not still pass her.
You see this principal, a very bad person. Because a biology teacher and my old babe. You know say Mrs. Ajala loves still there eye. This principal not able to get peace. He just want to make sure say we break up.
It's true. It's true.
Every day, go forth and die. Go forth and die. I don't go forth, I don't go forth, I don't agree die. That make her hate me. He don't swear, say man, nothing go better before. He dey pray my die, so that I go enter my space. Declare Mrs. Ajala, make the guy everything, because they tell her the things say Mrs. Ajala good well. Say if he did knock, she bad. And this man won't commit suicide too. It's short, chairman. If you fit do one for us, do one for us. We need new teachers. This full school, not get teacher. Now we the teach ourselves.
True. Sir. To add to everything, sir. You know, say as they hear for school that the Ministry of Education is sending your highly esteemed self to inspect them. They call it trying to bribe us.
Yes.
Try to bribe us. You know, say this one called the seduce my guy. Mrs. Obararapo. So, married woman, they seduce Jackson. Agbo physically beat me. He beg me now. Principal, call the tell and say Mrs. Ajala don't call her. You know, say tell you say Mrs. Ajala call her, say me the wrong things. Now we reason and we say no. We cannot stake the future of our education. Yes. Because our condition let us even still come back here. Yeah. We will not joke with our new future. Yeah. We say no. We must tell you the truth so that they'll get us better teachers.
Yes,
yes sir. That's the gospel truth.
Yes. That's the rap.
So if this was a real inspector from the Ministry of Education,
this is how you would have taken our job away from us. You would have sacked us. And in case you don't know, this one here is our last born. Yes, our last born. I was just testing you to see if you people have sense. And you don't have, and you have failed. Let me tell you, since you don't have our interest at heart,
yes,
I declare war.
Yes.
Eye for eye, soul to soul, tooth for tooth, blood for blood. Wow! Wow! I will kill you! We will